It is a settled law that if we have x to the power of minus 2, we take the reciprocal, all right? This is x over 1, so it becomes 1 over x raised to the power of 2, all right? So to remove this negative sign, so the same thing applies here. Using this rule, we turn this upside down, we take the reciprocal, all right? So that becomes 4 all over 2, all right, all squared. And that becomes 4 times 4 is what? 16. All over 2 times 2 is 4. And so 4 divided 16 will give us 4. And that is the final answer. Very fast and quick. Number 2. It is also a known principle of law in math that if we have a to the power of minus 3, it becomes 1 over a to the power of 3. So we take the reciprocal of 1 over 8, and that becomes 8 over 1, all squared, all cubed rather. So, and that is 8 cubed. And so we have 8 times 8 times 8. Okay, so we have 8 times 8 is 64, and 64 times 8 will give us 512. All right, and this is the final answer. Then number 3, please pause this video, solve number 3, and then watch the video to the end to check the answer if you are correct. All right, so the same rule applies. We take the reciprocal of 15 and 3, which is now 3 all over 15, all right, all squared. So we have 3 to the power of 2 over 15 to the power of 2. So 3 times 3 will give us 9. And 15 times 15 will, of course, give us 225. Now, 9 divide itself will give you 1 rather, and 9 divide 225 will give you 25. And how did we get this? 9 divide 22 will give you 2, remainder what? Remainder 4. We put it close to 5, becomes 45. And 9 divide 45 is 5. So the final answer is 1 over 225. Please consider subscribing to our channel, like the video, and share the video. Thank you.